you are interested in purchasing a new, or just as importantly, a pre-owned Sunseeker yacht, I would make the case that you should go through the authorized dealer for Sunseeker. Of course, for new yachts, that's obvious, but for pre-owned yachts, I think the value is even greater. Because those of us who work with Sunseeker as authorized dealers, we know these boats inside and out. We work with the factory in England on a regular basis. We have all the technicians, resources, parts to make sure our Sunseeker yachts are perfect for their owners. Because we work with so many Sunseeker yachts, we always have a great inventory and often a shadow inventory of Sunseeker yachts available. So if you want to buy a pre-owned Sunseeker yacht, or if you would like to sell your Sunseeker yacht, I would make the case that working with One Water Yacht Group, the authorized dealer and distributor for Sunseeker yachts, will get you the best results. We'll find the best Sunseeker for you if you're buying. We'll make sure the boat you're buying is in perfect condition. And if you're selling, we have access to a wider range of Sunseeker buyers than anyone else. So if you're interested in purchasing a pre-owned Sunseeker or selling your Sunseeker yacht, give me a call, Christopher, 561-285-1212.